that was a big jump. Christ on a stick, I'm freezing my low red off. Where is that thing supposed to be?
The client said it was near the research station.
That research station? Oh, crumbs. That can't be good.
Oh, yikes, yeah.
What happened here?
These guys were torn to shreds. I've seen beasts less brutal than this.
What and or who could have done this?
That, probably. Okay, Moxie, get up top. Millie, cover the entrances. I got it here.
Yes, sir.
You got him, Mox?
Yes, sir.
Sweet, let's turn him into some Swiss cheese! Yes, he met his match. Eating pale polar. Good job, Mox. Now let's get out of this frozen.
Hold it, Blitz. Look at these marks. They weren't made by no bullets. And here, bite marks.
What? What's the problem?
This wasn't running toward us.
He was running away from something else.
Look! Drop him! That's like 10.
Well, maybe those ones are nice.
They're not! Run!
Did you get us out of here?
What's the hold-up, Blitz?
I can't just make it go, okay? I'm still getting used to this thing. Damn it.
It's from lust. You can't just brute it. You gotta treat it right. Caress
I don't know. I've never been good at this.
it. Use your tongue.
How do you not know how to do this?
Moxie, I'm a top.
Try spelling the alphabet.
A, C, B.
With your tongue.
I knew that.
Oh, see.
Oh, damn.
I taught him that.
Can we go, please?